Welcome, virtual friends. Happy mind, happy life. Ever thought about turning your skills into a steady income? All from the comfort of your home? I have created 2 videos to show you how. This video series is for anyone who loves to teach, is looking for a second income, and has valuable skills to share, whether it's in academic subjects, music, cooking, or anything else. If you want the freedom to control your work and make a difference, live online tutoring could be the perfect opportunity for you. A live online tutoring course is when you and your students are online at the same time, working together in real time on subjects like math and English. Let's transform your communication skills into extra income. Imagine teaching from anywhere at any time and getting paid for it. Whether you're passionate about sharing your knowledge or simply looking for a way to earn some extra cash, online tutoring could be the perfect gig for you. Let's face it, teaching has evolved. Face-to-face classrooms are no longer the only option. With the vast array of resources and tools available online, you can effectively teach and connect with students from anywhere without the need for a traditional classroom setting. The flexibility and opportunities of online teaching are at your fingertips. So, what's driving you to explore online tutoring? Is it the freedom to work from home, the extra income, or simply a passion for teaching? Whatever it is, you're in the right place. Pause the video and grab a notebook, or open a new document and write down 3 reasons that motivate you to pursue this path. Done? Awesome. Now let's move on to the next step. Think about a challenge you've faced in the past and how you overcame it. How can this experience help you in your online tutoring business? Pause the video and jot down your thoughts. Here's how past experiences can help. Have you had to manage tight deadlines before? That skill will keep your tutoring schedule on track. Have you solved tech glitches in the past? Those troubleshooting skills are perfect for navigating online teaching tools. Have you had to explain difficult concepts to others? That's going to make your lessons clear and effective. Boosted your own confidence before? That resilience will help you thrive as an online tutor. Have you ever learned something new or solved a hard problem that made you feel proud and more sure of yourself? That feeling of confidence will help you be a great online tutor because it shows you can handle challenges and help your students learn. Just a quick message. Please support this channel by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more great content. Thank you. Let's continue. Activity. Think about your current schedule. How many hours per week can you realistically dedicate to tutoring? Write down a tentative schedule. Activity. Identify the skills you have that could be taught to others online. Create a list of at least 3 skills you can offer as a tutor. I personally tutor over 30 students online, working just 4 days a week. It's not always easy, but being my own boss and setting my own hours is incredibly rewarding. There is a secret way to tutor 30 students online and not get burned out. I will share that with you later. Activity. Research the demand for online tutoring services in your area or globally. What subjects are most in demand? Write down your findings. To find out what online tutoring subjects are popular, you can use tools like Google Trends and market reports. Look at tutoring websites to see which subjects are offered the most. You can also check social media and ask people through surveys to learn what students and parents need help with. Math, science, English, and computer science are some subjects that many students look for help in. Write down what you find to understand which subjects are the most in demand. When designing an online lessons for your students, consider incorporating a variety of elements to enhance learning. Include a variety of resources like videos, games, puzzles, crosswords, word search, and even bingo. This comprehensive approach will help ensure all students grasp the concepts and stay motivated throughout the course. Activity. Think about how you prefer to learn. For example, through reading, watching videos, hands-on practice. How can you apply this preference to your tutoring sessions? Write down your learning style and how it can influence your teaching. Let's be real, results matter. Parents know this, and that's why 98% of students who pass A-levels have better job prospects. If you specialize or get a postgraduate qualification, your job prospects improve even more. This is why tutors are in high demand. While it's true that the qualifications required for the future are shifting, there will always be a need for support in foundational subjects like math and English. Additionally, as students pursue specialized interests such as music or coding, they may seek lessons to enhance their skills. Even if they're not pursuing a degree, students working on certification courses often require additional help to succeed. Whether it's mastering the basics or excelling in a specific area, quality tutoring can make a significant difference in their learning journey. In today's competitive world, students who invest in their education have a significant advantage. That means your online tutoring business will be in demand too. Our society loves to learn, and as a tutor, you're offering exactly what people need. Activity. List any subjects or skills you are passionate about teaching. For each subject, write down how you would explain a basic concept to a beginner. Is online tutoring for you? You might be an excellent tutor, but can you work for yourself and run a small business? This job requires more than just teaching. You'll need to handle bookkeeping, customer service, and discipline, all while motivating yourself. Are you ready for that? Activity. Assess your readiness to run a business. What aspects of running a business excite you? What aspects do you find challenging? Write down how you will address the challenges. Before you begin, take time to research and answer these questions. Do you have all the resources you need? Do you need further training? Or perhaps you should start off by signing up to an agency to begin with. Activity. Write down your answers and create a simple action plan based on your findings. Building it into a business. Even if you're starting online tutoring as a side hustle, it's important to treat it like a real business. Let's talk about the mindset needed for success. Be prepared for ups and downs. While online tutoring can be profitable, it takes time to build a steady income. Don't expect overnight success. Instead, plan carefully and consider starting while you still have your full-time job to ensure a smooth transition. Create a basic budget for your online tutoring business. Include projected income, expenses, and savings. Consider taking an online course in basic bookkeeping if you need to strengthen your financial skills. Online tutoring offers a fantastic opportunity to turn your passion into profit. With the right mindset, careful planning, and a bit of patience, you can build a successful tutoring business that works for you. The way that I managed to tutor 30 students and not get stressed out is that I put them in groups of up to 5. This allows me to have dynamic lessons which are student-centered. Follow the steps we've covered, and then come back and watch the second part of this video, where I will answer some frequently asked questions about live tutoring. You've got this. Please like this video and have a fabulous day.